Our allergy tracking tool keeps you connected between visits. It's a smarter, simpler way to support your allergy care. Schweiger AllerTrack helps you track your treatment, log your symptoms, manage appointments, and message your care team. Getting started is easy. Simply scan the QR code or search Schweiger Allergy in the App Store or Google Play. When you open the app, make sure to allow notifications to ensure you get important reminders. To set up your account, enter your email address or phone number. Then follow the guided steps. Next, complete the remote treatment consent form. Add a card for recurring sublingual drops payment to prevent treatment gaps. Now you're ready for daily treatment logging. Make sure to log your drops each day so your care team can track your progress and support your treatment journey. Daily symptom logging is essential to optimizing your immunotherapy treatment. Log your symptoms every day to help with symptom management between appointments and keep your clinical team informed on how you're feeling so they can optimize your formulation. If you are unsure if you are experiencing a symptom defined in the app, tap the information button to learn more. Here's an important note. If you have urgent or concerning symptoms, please call your provider or go to urgent care immediately. Click Learn to access frequently asked questions about your allergy treatment. Getting in touch with your care team is simple. If you need to speak with your immunotherapy coordinator, simply click on the menu, then select Call Coordinator. To message your coordinator, tap the message icon in the upper right corner. Click Call to book an appointment. Thank you for choosing Schweiger Dermatology and Allergy for your treatment journey. With AllerTrack, managing your immunotherapy is easier than ever. This app will help us work together to improve your symptoms and get you feeling better faster. If you have any questions along the way, we're here to help. Download the app today and take control of your allergy treatment journey.